In this video, we'll walk through the complete process of pouring and sectioning a double bite impression using Monotrac's V2 Straight Quad articulator. Step 1. Trim and align the impression. Trim the impression flat and parallel to the occlusal plane, so it fits within the vertical dimensions of the articulator. For alignment, center the impression in the tray and mark guidelines with a Sharpie. You can also use map pins to indicate the midline position, making sure the setup stays properly aligned. Step 2. Pour the preparation side first. To avoid the distortion of die stone expansion, always pour the die prep side of a double bite impression first. Pouring the opposing side first can negatively affect the accuracy of the stone model. Pour the impression leaving a convex bead slightly above full. Pour the base tray to the top edge without overfilling, then invert, align the impression, and then let set. Next, pour the opposing side with an even convex bead. Pour the opposing base just to full, then engage the hinge and close the articulator. Let it set. Once set, remove the impression and tear away walls. Monotrac trimmers are shown to strip the walls and remove excess stone flash. Mark the models and bases with case IDs prior to ejecting the models. Eject the model from the base with a jeweler hammer tap to lift off evenly. A light mist of Monotrac's optional silicone pre-spray makes removal easier, especially if you won't be separating the base within 24 hours. For more details, tips, and links to the products featured in this video, check the description below. Step 5. Pre-dry models and section the dies. It is essential to pre-dry the models in a warm dehydrator or oven environment for about 20 minutes. Section the model with a motorized disc, such as a die cutter, a lathe, or a handpiece disc, while it's still warm and air blast to remove all dust debris. This method requires no labor time and makes dust and debris removal simple and clean while ensuring a full precise reseat back onto its base. Dies should exhibit a slight retentive stick when processed correctly. In cases of free end bridges or multiple preps at the posterior that require a solid vertical stop, simply install a Monotrac plug-in adjustable stop. If you follow these steps, you'll get fast, accurate, and simple articulation every time. If you have any questions, check the instructions or reach out. Thanks for watching and for choosing Monotrac.